You're down here?
Right there, yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right, I appreciate you.
Yeah,
Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate the ride.
we'll see you there.
Today's task on my new sailboat is to restore some of the wood on it. This is called the companionway. This slides back, I believe. Let's see here. And that's very noisy. I wonder how I can fix that. Wow, that was loud. Okay, so we're gonna take off all of this wood, bring it back to the house, and sand it and varnish it and restore it. I believe this is teak wood in the companionway, and we're gonna make it look like new. And I can tell you right now, these are gonna be some very, very fragile pieces of wood to restore. There's almost nothing left of them. Hopefully a lot of coats of varnish and some wood filler will get these things looking good again. It looks like the handrails are held on by these 6 screws right here. And I'm already realizing with all of these screws, I definitely want to make sure that I put them in Ziploc baggies and label them. So that will be something that I bring next time to the boat, is some snack bags. But we're gonna take these 6 screws off and take off those handrails. I got stuck a little bit over here. 2 things, I don't know how to take off this piece of wood here. This is the swing kill. What goes underneath the boat to stabilize it. And then the companionway, I unbolted all the hardware, but this guy is just not coming up. And I do not want to break it by trying to roughhouse it. I have to say already, there is this peacefulness and serenity of just tinkering around on your boat and restoring it. Being alone out here in the marina, just feeling a little bit of that rock and the noise of the lanyards and halyards and all the things that are up above deck. Hearing the fish jump in the water. I think this is gonna be a beautiful chapter in my life, spending quality time on my boat. And that's for 120. After sanding, we're gonna go ahead and do a stain, and then we'll start varnishing. Plan is, after sanding, we're gonna go ahead and stain it and begin the varnishing process. Okay, I can tell you right now, the problem with this 41-year-old piece of wood is that it is very fragile, so I'm gonna be very delicate with it and pray that it does not snap or whatever, but I'm gonna try to be as delicate as I can and do what I can to preserve this piece. This took way too long, and that's only at 60 grit. I'm about to come back and hit it with the 120. You can see the texture on this wood, but after it gets sanded down, it looks really good. But this has been, I'm about sanded out, let's just say that. Thanks for hanging out on what I hope to be our first of many boating adventures together. See you guys soon.